Tired of embarrassing typos slipping into your Word docs? Learn the one-click fix to catch every mistake instantly. We have all been there. You spend hours on a document, hit send or print, and then you spot it. A glaring typo or a grammar mistake that makes you cringe. It feels awful, right? But here is the good news. You do not have to be a proofreading expert to catch those errors. Microsoft Word has a powerful tool built right in, and it is way easier to use than you might think. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly where to click in the Review tab to run a full spelling and grammar check. No guessing, no third-party add-ons, just the tool that is already waiting for you in Word. So let us get started. First, you need to open your document in Microsoft Word. It does not matter if it is a brand new file or something you have been working on for weeks. The process is exactly the same. Now look at the very top of your screen at the main menu bar. You have File, Home, Insert, and a bunch of others. The one we need is Review. Go ahead and click on that Review tab. This is your command center for anything related to polishing your writing. It might look busy up there, but do not worry. We are only looking for one thing. Now that you are in the Review tab, you want to look for a section called Proofing. It is usually on the far left side of the ribbon. Inside that proofing group, you will see a big icon that either says Spelling and Grammar or an icon that looks like a check mark with the letters ABC above it. Click that button. When you do, Word will start scanning your entire document from top to bottom. On the right side of your screen, a new pane will open up. This is the editor. This might take a moment if your document is very long, but usually it is instant. And here is the really important part. The pane opens and the first suggestion appears. This is where you actually do the work. Word will highlight the error in your document and give you a suggested fix. You will normally see a list of options. Maybe the word is misspelled. Maybe there is a grammar issue. Or maybe you used a passive voice that could be stronger. You have a few choices here. If the suggestion is correct, just click the Change button to accept it. If you want to swap every instance of that same mistake in the whole document, click Change All. But what if Word is wrong? That happens too. Maybe it flags a name or a technical term that is actually correct. In that case, just click Ignore once to skip it this time, or Ignore All if it is a word you use repeatedly. You can even add it to your dictionary so Word never flags it again. Now pay attention to this one. Go through each suggestion one by one. Do not just blindly click Change on everything. Read the suggestion. Make sure it makes sense in the context of your sentence. Sometimes Word will suggest a fix that changes your meaning. For example, it might flag the word it's without an apostrophe, but if you are using the possessive it's, Word is wrong. In that case, you ignore it. Go through your whole document this way. It is a conversation between you and the editor. It shows you a potential problem, and you decide what to do. After the last suggestion, Word will pop up a little message saying the spelling and grammar check is complete. That is your signal. Your document is now cleaner than it was before. From submitting documents with embarrassing errors to confidently delivering polished, mistake-free work, that is the transformation. That is what this simple review process does for you. So the next time you finish a document, take that extra minute, click Review, click Spelling and Grammar, and walk through the suggestions. It is one of the easiest ways to look more professional without spending hours proofreading.